Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing LSSC Lightning Share Scooter Company, a business model that claims to let you earn daily passive income by investing in and managing electric scooters. But is it actually legit? What are their business models? What people are actually talking about it? We will also talk about the controversy around this company. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So LSSC basically operates in the tier 1 countries like Canada, US, UK, and it says that it actually pays users daily for just clocking in via their application. You don't manage the real scooters, you simply invest and hit a button once a day and earn up to $64 daily depending on your level. So the lowest tier starts at $1,100 and users are encouraged to level up for bigger payouts. The company also avoids any kind of traditional advertising. Instead, they are using a referral system in order to grow their audience via the peer promotions. So you must be wondering, is it actually real? So there are some people that have withdrawn some money successfully, but LSSC only works if you stay active and if you refer other people and do the work basically. So LSSC paying as of right now, but it looks more like a gamified investment scheme than a true business. So if you want to join it, you can join at your own risk completely or only with the money that you can afford to lose, because there is no guarantee. So always do your own research before actually joining these types of platforms. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.